But as an actor, wherever performance enta mukyamaina, the success will speak more, right? But Nandu is also doing fantastic role.
Nandu has had his journey from hits to flops to disappearing to hosting to giving commentary to. It's a journey, and I feel so proud of him because at all points one thing remained the same. That was his attitude of not giving up. It would have been so easy for him to be like, I'm comfortable just doing the hosting thing. Why get back to films? Why try more? Very easy, very comfortable. Money is there.
Yes.
But he was like, no, why not? Why not? And I think he's mad. I honestly think he's mad because he would experiment. He would, like when Ugly Story discussion was going on, we were shooting for Vadhovu. And he was already approached for the film. I had said yes. He was also, but we didn't know that both of us are being approached. So on Vadhovu set, we kind of interacted and we had a conversation where he said that this film that you are doing, this character I am doing.
Okay.
And I was like, perfect casting. Like,
Great.
Because in Vadhovu, there was no psyche character or psycho character or anything. It was a very stern, straightforward, blank, poker face, like that kind of a character for him.
Okay.
For me, it was somebody who was trying to understand and very mature, very different from what I usually do, like bubbly and all, very different.
Okay.
So it was an experiment for the both of us to do something like that. But when we, spoke about this one, I was really excited to do this with him because I have understood that he will do anything in his power to give to the character. And as an actor, we want your co-actors to not think of my hair is like this, my clothes, I want to look like a hero. No.
Okay.
He is supposed to look the character and he believes like that. So which I really loved working with.